Alright, so if you're new to the Nikilive app and you don't know what to do or how to complete your task in order for you to earn on the app, this video is for you. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you explaining the tasks on the app, what you have to do for you to earn, how you're going to earn on the site. So this is my dashboard right here, and this is where I have the tasks. Okay, let me highlight it for you. This is the task. Okay, we're going to click on that real quick. Okay, so click on tax. I'm going to be explaining the tax one after the other. So these are the ways you earn. You know, initially I mentioned that there are so many ways you can earn on the Nikki Life app. You can earn as an agent on the app. You can earn as a host in the app. There are so many ways that you can earn on the app, but this is one of like the ways you can earn on the app by performing your tax on the app. So we have different tax here. We have the daily life tax. We have the daily tax rather. We have the life tax and we have the play tax. Okay, so I'll be explaining each of them for you. Okay, so you don't get too confused. So the first one here, which is the daily tax, is you have to post moments and get featured. Okay, so and they'll be giving you a reward of 1,000 coins. How do you post your moments on the app? It's not so difficult. You head back to your dashboard. You see where you have post here, and then you click on this plus icon here. Let me highlight it for you. Okay, this is the plus icon. You click on the plus icon, and that's how you're going to post your moment. You click on plus. If you want to post a video, you click on the video. If you want to post a picture, you click on your image, and that's just basically it. So that's how to post a moment. So let's head back to where our tax center is. Okay, so this is our tax center here, and that's how to complete the first one. And you have to get featured. You understand? You have to get featured in order for you to get your reward of 1,000 coins. The second one says party room on mic. Okay, so and you have to do this for 30 minutes. That's why you have here. You have required 30 minutes. So you have to do it, and when you're doing it, to be counting here. Okay, so that's 30 minutes for you to party. Okay, simply means that you should be in the party room. Like for example, if someone hosts a party on the Nikki Live app, you join the party and you sit on the mic. You make sure your mic is on, and if you sit on the mic for 30 minutes, you get the reward of one recommendation card, and then the 10th flag is here. That's the second tax. The third one says receive anchor recommendation card. So if you receive anchor recommendation cards on the app, they will be giving you a reward of 8,000 beans, which is money. It's almost $1. 8,000 beans is almost $1 on the app. Even the coins is money as well. You exchange it to beans and you can be able to withdraw it. So you would have to get 300 sheets of anchor recommendation cards in order for you to get 8,000 beans. The fourth one here says complete club task to gain prestige points. Okay, so on the Nikki Life app, I think your agent or your agency should have opened a club for you. So if you're in that particular club, you have to complete the tax on the club, okay, for you to be able to get prestige points, and you have to get 300 prestige points in order for you to receive reward of 7,005 coins. Okay, so that's it. And then we have to obtain the honor combat card, and this also requires the club tax acquisition. So you must complete the club tax, okay, for you to be able to then obtain the honor combat card. All right, when you obtain 2 out of the honor combat cards, that's 2 sheets, you'll be given a reward of 20 flowers, okay, which is a gift on the app. So the last one here says the second one here, the other one here says win the live PK value greater than 15,000. So what it's trying to tell you here is that win the PK, maybe they have spent 15,000 coins, the greater than 15,000 coins, that's 15,000 coins and above, okay. You win the PK once. That is why you see it says require 1 year. Okay, so if you win the PK once, you'll be given 6,500 beans, which is more than half of $1 on the app. Okay, and then we have the last daily task here, which is you should party room on mic. Okay, and then you play the lucky gifts as well. Okay, as you party on the mic. So it's similar to this one here, where you have to party on the room for 30 minutes. It's similar to this, but this one is kind of different in a way. You have to play lucky gifts. Okay, and this lucky gift you are playing, you see the lucky gift, where to play the lucky gift. So you must spend 30,000 coins in order for you to receive this reward. And the reward that you're going to be receiving, 6,600 coins, maximum of 6,600 coins if you party on the mic, go to someone's party and then leave your mic on for 1 hour. That's why you see 60 minutes here. That's the explanation of the daily tax. Let's move on to the live tax. So we have the live tax here for you to live stream. Okay, and on the Nikki Live app, you have to live stream for an hour here to get 1,000 beans. Okay, so you can see it here. You have to live stream today for 1 hour and you get 1,000 beans. That's why you see 60 minutes here. Okay, you're going to be getting a reward of 1,000 beans in return. Then the other one here says duration rewards rules. Okay, so look at level 0, you have 1,000 per hour. You'll be getting 1,000 beans per hour. Okay, so and if you're moving down to level 0 pro, you'll be getting 1,250 beans per hour, and it doesn't require an income here. Okay, but it just requires the lucky gifts income. So you have to get up to 11,000 beans. Maybe someone gives you on the app through the lucky gift section, gives you, and you receive 11,000 beans. You'll be getting 1,250 beans per hour of live stream. That's for 1 hour of live stream, and you are going to be in the level 0 pro. And again, we have the level 1 here, which says you'll be getting 3,000 per hour, and it requires an income. What is the income that it requires? Let's expand it. Okay, so the income that it requires is that you must have a total income, that's beans income of 150,000 beans. Okay, in order for you to receive 3,000 per hour, which is 1 hour you'll be live streaming a day. But they must give you a gift that leaves you with the equivalent, or leaves you with 150,000 beans in order for you to get 3,000 per hour. The other one here says level 1 pro. You'll be getting 3,500 beans per hour. That's for the 1 hour live stream. If you have total income of 150 beans, 150,000 beans, and then you have lucky gift income of 20,000 beans. So someone has to gift you up to maybe 20 something thousand coins so that you can get 20,000 beans. Someone has to give you like 30,000 coins in order for you to get 20,000 beans income, and then you must have a total income of at least 150,000 beans before you can get 3,500 per hour. So it's the same with other levels here. Okay, we have the level 2, which you'll be getting 5,000 per hour if you have a total income of 400,000 beans. You have the level 2 pro, you'll be getting 6,005 per hour if you have a total income of 400,000 beans, and lucky gifts income of 60,000 beans. Someone has to give to you under the lucky gift section for you to get 60,000 beans, and in total you must have 400,000 beans that day for you to be able to get 6,005 per hour every single day you live stream. Now, how do you live stream to complete your live stream task? You click on the camera icon, and then you see where it says party and live. You click on live this time, and then you click on go live. Make sure you have a title for your live stream. Okay, so this is how you simply live stream on the app, and you can showcase your talents on live to pass out time. Here you even get to meet more people. Like you can see someone join the live stream right now. You get to meet people all over the world, and then you showcase your talent. When your 1 hour time has elapsed, then you move to the next task. Now, so the last task here in the task center is the play task. Okay, what is the play task? From the word play, we should understand that you are going to be playing something. And what are you going to be playing? You're going to be playing games. The first one here says you should play the gift wheel, and you must consume some coins while you play the gift wheel, which is you must spend 25,000 coins in order for you to get a reward of 1,000 coins for playing the gift wheel. Okay, so the next one says get game share income. All right, so if you get the game share income for over 8,000 beans, probably the income they share for winning a game, if you get 8,000 beans, you'll be given 8,005 beans in return. Okay, the third one says play games, the lucky number games. I'm going to spend 10,000 coins in playing the lucky number game. You must consume. Okay, I don't think they say you should win, but you must consume 10,000 coins in order for them to give you 6,000 coins in return. Then the fourth game here says play games house fat. You have to also consume. Okay, you have to consume 15,000 coins in playing the house fat game, and then you'll be given a reward of 6,005 coins in return. The last one here, the second one here says give lucky gifts ruby. So you have to give lucky gifts to someone, the ruby gift to someone, and it must be 80 units. You must give that for them to give you 5,600 coins as a reward. The last one now, the other one here says play games, and you must win this game. You're going to spend 150,000 coins in playing any game of your choice, and you must win that game, and they will give you reward of flowers, which is 80 flowers. We have to go and check the worth of these 80 flowers, okay, on the app. You check it in the gift section, you check it to know what you are going to get as a reward, if it is huge, if it is worth it or not. So we have the last one, which says receive lucky gifts. You must receive the cherry lucky gifts, 150 units. That means you must receive 150 cherry lucky gifts, and you must live stream for you must host a solo live, okay, for 120 minutes, which is for 2 hours, for them to give you 7,000 beans maximum as your reward for completing this task on the app. So that's all about the tax and how to go about the tax on the Nikilive app and how to earn money. All you see here that is the reward is cash. It's real money, and it can be withdrawn. I will show you how to withdraw your earnings from this app and other ways you can earn from the Nikilive app. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful, and if you still have any question at all, please leave it in the comment section and I will respond to all your questions.